Hello incoming grade 11 students! Excited ka na ba magpasukan? Ito ang walkthrough sa isa sa mga core subjects na you offer this school year 2025-2026. Kasali ba ang school nyo sa pilot implementation ng bagong senior high school curriculum? Welcome to Strengthened Senior High School Program. I will be presenting to you the general science topics for first quarter. General Science is a core subject in senior high school that will be offered in grade 11 and all tracks. Curriculum guide indicates that the number of hours for one school year is equal to 160 hours. So take note, this subject will be offered for one school year. Number of hours per week is equal to 4 hours. So ito naman ang performance standard ng General Science. So by the end of the quarter, learners identify general physics principles and their applications in daily life. So basically, physics muna for first quarter. They use scientific principles to solve problems, make informed decisions, and illustrate the application for self, society, and environment. So another, they design simple and compound machines and the hydraulic system to demonstrate applications of the following concepts: torque, force, center of mass, and hydraulic-related principles. Aside from that, they evaluate energy-efficient practices in electricity supply and consumption at home and local businesses and explore the advantages and drawbacks of light and sounds in medical imaging, security, communication, and entertainment. So lastly, they describe and explain how basic physics principles are applied to describe and make prediction about motion and everyday situations and scenarios. So maintindihan nyo kung paano natin pwedeng gamitin ang ating kaalaman sa physics sa everyday life and situations. So are you ready to learn? So here are the content for first quarter. Number one, physics in daily life. Number two, application of translational and rotational motion. So, you are going to differentiate first. What's the difference between the translational and rotational motion? And number three, simple and compound machines. And then number four, the physics of fluids. Okay. Then number five, utilization of electricity. And number six, understanding and using light and sound. Okay, so ito naman din yung anim na content standards. Number one, physics principle apply to numerous aspects of everyday living. And then number two, understanding linear and angular quantities to describe motion helps in the design of efficient machine. And number three, the efficiency of simple and compound machine can be improved by applying basic physics principles. Number four, hydraulic And then number five, analysis of electricity generation, consumption patterns, and energy efficiency practices can lead to better energy supply and management. So basically, makaka-relate kayo kasi yung topic na to ay pwede natin i-apply sa ating mga bahay. Okay? So number six, an understanding of the properties of light and sounds lead to their safe and productive application. Okay, so eto naman yung 12 learning competencies. So mas detail dito kung ano ang aaralin nyo sa bawat topic. Okay. Number one, identify various ways physics enhances our quality of life across different areas, including household activities, health and safety, work, productivity, and leisures. And then number two, compare and contrast translational and rotational motion in terms of their respective linear and angular quantities. And then number three, demonstrate through simple activities the relationship between linear and angular quantities. So letter A, human movement. And letter B, ergonomic designs. Ayan. So for number four, apply concept of translational and rotational motion to design and build prototype of efficient, simple, and compound machine. So basically, you are going to build a prototype. Okay. Explain the characteristic and efficient, simple, and compound machines. And then number 6, explain how simple hydraulic systems use fluid principles to enhance simple and compound machines. Okay. So, before tayo mag-proceed, I would like to greet yung mga senior high school graduates last school year, batch 2024-2025. So, hello everyone. Number 7, identify applications of Archimedes principles and Pascal's principle in various contexts such as home, community, businesses, and transportation. And number 8, design simple practical activities or models to determine how variations in physical properties such as shape, mass, and volume affect an object's ability to float in a fluid. Number 9, discuss safety practices in dealing with electrical hazards such as overloading, damaged insulation, damp electrical condition, faulty wiring, and electrocution. Number 10, propose ways to minimize energy loss and energy waste in homes, schools, local businesses, and other parts of society. Okay, number 11, discuss the properties of light and sound waves related to communications technology, navigation, medicine, and entertainment. Okay, for number 12, identify innovations related to sound and light such as soundproofing, sound amplifiers, LEDs, holograms, and lasers. Okay, so that's it for the learning competencies. And this one is the course description. Okay, thank you so much everyone. And see you in the next video presentation. So God bless.